Hey guys, my name's Ryan. I want to make a quick video about the universal speaker bracket sold by Dave at Pwcbrackets that I purchased for my 2019 Seadoo GTR-230 and my 2019 Seadoo GTR-X 230. The install on the 230 went just as he describes in his universal bracket install video on YouTube, but we did have some issues with the GTR-X 230, and we came up with some pretty cool ideas that I'm going to show you guys. All right, here's the mount on the GTR 230, mounted on the lid of the box here, as Dave describes in his videos. Still plenty of room to get in there. You don't have full motion, but there's enough. I run a Mega Boom 3 with my phone mounted above it. But the difference between the GTR 230 and the GTR X 230 is the angle of these lids. This one's sloped down quite a bit, gives you more room whenever you raise it up with the speaker and the phone. Where on the GTR X 230, it's pretty flat, and you run out of room pretty quick whenever you're trying to open the lid. So we mounted the speaker in front of the handlebars on this flat section of plastic here. Took off this side piece, enough room to get your hand down in there and secure it both ways. Pretty sturdy. All right guys, I want to turn the flash on for you real quick so you can see this a little bit better. You notice a Mega Boom 3 mounted here in the bracket, and it gives you plenty of room to see the gauges above it. But if we mounted the phone on the speaker, you wouldn't be able to see the gauges at all. So we were trying to find something else to do with the phone. And we talked to Dave today, and we took off this rubber piece here, flipped it up, and you got 4 bolts holding the handlebars in place. We took his mount, put it in this bolt here, angled down with the RAM mount that comes with the mobile phone package here. And the only thing we had to do was trim out that rubber piece right there to fit around the bracket. And whenever it's closed and down, it looks pretty good. You can run with it horizontally here. It's pretty cool. Turns with the steering, or you can run it vertically, which is pretty cool as well. And with the phone mounted this way, you can still get into the box down there pretty well. Or if you want to turn it horizontally, you have almost full range to get down in there. So it works pretty well. I'm pretty happy with the GTR-X setup here that we came up with. And I told Dave I'd make a video so you guys could see it and give some ideas if you have any, or if you want to do this yourself. But it's a pretty clean install. Nothing looks bad. You're not changing any of the hardware out from Seadoo. You're just taking that bolt off and putting the bracket in, and that's it. Fits well. Trim that rubber piece there, and the phone hides it. You don't even know it's there. Well guys, if you have any questions, reach out to Dave, and we've been in communication. We collaborated, came up with that pretty cool idea. I think you'll like it too. I'm really happy with how both of the mounts turned out, and I can't wait to get them out on the water. Dave's doing some pretty cool things over there at Pwcbrackets and just wants to take care of everyone no matter what ski you ride. And he just can't get his hands on all of them, so I'm just trying to help him help you out. Thanks for watching the video, and as always, ride safe, ride loud.